Ever wonder why someone has got 5 or 6 properties on a similar income and you can't have that, or you don't have a borrowing capacity? Continue watching this video. Recently, we were able to secure 6th investment loan for a client of ours who was with us from last 7 to 8 years. We did his first house, second, third, fourth, fifth, and now we have done 6th investment property for him. He is on an income of $120,000. He's working as a nurse in Westmead Hospital. Sounds interesting that a nurse on an income of $120,000 have 6 properties, whereas you earning more income or maybe less income or similar income, bank is not giving you enough money to buy your second investment or maybe first investment property. Well, it comes down to a structure. When we sat down with him 7 years back, we went through his goals. What are his long-term objectives? What are his long-term goals? And how does he and where does he see himself in the next 10 years? So we made a plan for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years. We did annual review with this particular client every 6 months to figure it out where he is at, how can we go for his first investment property. And then after procuring the first investment property, that was 7 years ago, we did a review again in 6 months time and see if there's any equity available. And then we went for his second property and so on forward till now, where we helped him to secure his 6th investment property. The big difference was structure. We made sure that he went to the accountant on day 1, got the advice from accountant that how buying in different trust and structure will help him and what are the costs associated with it, what are the risks involved in it. He went to the legal person as well to make sure that he understands the risk associated with it, and then we worked on a long-term plan. Fast forward 7 years, he is able to secure his 6th investment property using this structure. In all my videos, I say one thing: if you want to grow your wealth, if you want to grow your property wealth specifically, there's one thing which is extremely critical: under which structure you are buying the property. Wrong structure will stop your property journey after 1 or 2 property. Right structure will make sure that you are able to achieve your objective, which can be 5, 6, 7, 8 properties if you work with right structure. If you're out there confused, want to know how structure can help you grow your property portfolio, give me a call on 0447 95 9546 or email me at info@apwfinance.com.